Let's harvest and dry some red clover flowers. These flowers are easy to harvest, they dry quickly, and are great to have on hand. Red clover can be found between May and September in temperate climates. More northern climates will have a shorter bloom span, while more southern climates will have a longer span. Look for blossoms growing in an unsprayed location. Avoid plants that are covered in powdery mildew, as flowers covered in the mildew can contaminate your entire harvest. Harvest blossoms when they first open. You want to pick the blossom off right above where the flower head connects to the stem. Remove any leaves that may come off with the blossom. Place the blossoms on drying screens, baskets, or a sheet away from the sun to dry as quickly as possible. If you are in a humid climate, you may want to dry in an oven set to low heat to dry it more quickly. I like to use my car to dry my plants. I will crack the windows open to let out any moisture and place the baskets of herbs in the shady back area. Every day I fluff the herbs to help them dry evenly. Red clover will dry in a few days. Once the blossoms are dried, store them in glass jars away from light. If stored properly, your red clover blossoms will last for at least a year.